Welcome to today's guided meditation for dealing with loss. Loss comes in many forms, whether it's the passing of a loved one or the separation from someone dear to us. In this session, we'll explore techniques to help you navigate through the grief and find comfort and healing in moments of sorrow. If you're with us for the first time, you may be interested in other sessions from our guided meditation series, which have been thoughtfully selected to explore the various types of meditation and progressing through from beginner to advanced levels. Click on the card above to see all videos in our meditation series. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Centering breath. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension, pain or sadness you may be holding on to. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present in this moment, letting go of any worries or distractions. Acceptance and healing. It's important to acknowledge that the pain of losing a loved one may never fully leave you. Whether through death or departure, the void left behind can be profound. Life can seem terribly unfair when someone we cherish has passed away, or when a relationship ends abruptly. It can feel like you've lost a part of yourself, leaving you feeling lost and incomplete, but with time, we can learn to carry it differently. Understand that healing is not about erasing the pain, but about learning to live with it in a way that allows us to move forward. Resilience. As we proceed on our journey of healing, we cultivate resilience within ourselves. Despite the pain, we recognize our capacity to endure and grow from adversity. Every step we take towards healing is a testament to our strength and resilience. Each day presents a new opportunity to rebuild ourselves, to find strength in our vulnerabilities, and to rise above the challenges life throws our way. Remember that you are not alone in your grief. If you're comfortable to, surround yourself with friends, family, or support groups who can offer understanding and empathy. Sharing your journey with others can provide solace and remind you that you are not alone in your pain. Together, we can find strength in our shared experiences and navigate through the darkness towards healing. Honoring. Take a moment to acknowledge any emotions that may arise as you reflect on your loss. Allow yourself to feel whatever comes up, whether it's sadness, anger, or confusion. Know that it's okay to experience these emotions and that they are a natural part of the grieving process. While the pain of loss may linger, so too do the memories of our loved ones. Whether it's reminiscing about shared moments or reflecting on the love that once filled our hearts, these memories remain a source of comfort and connection. Despite their absence, our loved ones continue to live on in our hearts and minds. Take a moment to reflect on the memories you shared with your loved one. Recall the moments of joy, laughter, and love that you experienced together. Hold on to these memories as a source of comfort and solace during difficult times. While the pain of loss may never fully fade, we learn to integrate it into our lives in a way that allows us to continue living fully. Self-compassion. Through acceptance and self-compassion, we gradually reclaim our sense of self and move forward with renewed purpose. practice self-compassion as you navigate through your grief. Be gentle with yourself and allow yourself the time and space to heal. Remember that it's okay to seek support from loved ones or a professional should you need it. Living with loss. As we navigate through our grief, we learn to integrate the loss into our lives in a way that allows us to continue living fully. We find purpose and meaning in honoring the memories of our loved ones and carrying their legacies forward in our hearts. While it's natural to grieve and cherish the memories of our loved ones, it's also important to learn to move forward and not be held in the past. Allow yourself to embrace the present moment and find joy in the life you're living now. Know that it's okay to find happiness even amidst the pain of loss. With each exhale, imagine releasing any pain or sorrow you may be holding on to. Allow yourself to let go of any attachments or expectations, and trust that healing will come in its own time. Know that it's okay to grieve and that you are not alone in your journey. Finally, honor the process of grieving and the journey of healing. Know that it's okay to take things one day at a time and to be patient with yourself as you navigate through your emotions. Despite the pain, know that brighter days lie ahead, and with time, wounds will heal, and you will find peace once again. Trust that healing is possible and that you will find peace in time. Closing. As we conclude this guided meditation, take a moment to acknowledge the strength and courage within you. Healing takes time, but trust that you have the resilience to overcome even the darkest of days. Remember to return to this session whenever you need to. You are not alone, and brighter days await you on the horizon. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying with you the sense of peace and healing that you've cultivated. Thank you for joining us in today's meditation for dealing with loss. If you enjoyed this meditation, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next session of our meditation series. May you find comfort and healing in the days ahead.